The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, center armrest, front-wheel drive. Come take a test drive today.